How to activate DoorDash Crimson Card. So first up, once you have been approved for your DoorDash Crimson Card, you will be able to use the virtual card right away. You can soon add this virtual card to your Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, or Samsung Wallet as usual, like your other debit or credit cards. Once your physical card arrives, you will need to go to your Dasher app and navigate to the rate card section within the app. To activate your physical card, you need to tap the Activate a Physical Card option. Once you do that, you need to consent to the terms as well as the electronic communication and privacy documents to confirm the activation. Once you confirm the activation, you need to key in your 16-digit Dasher card found at the front of the card, as well as the 4-digit number on the back of the card. And once you key in that information, your card will be activated for use. And that is how you activate your DoorDash Crimson Card.